need a dose of fucking unusual, funny meme videos like stat.
Liv, come here.
Oh no. Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
On how to make the bracelet.
Over the weekend, I strongly considered buying a golf cart because I just want to get in a golf cart and zoom around in it. Wouldn't that be so much fun? This dog is destroying public property and I think it should be ashamed. Golf cart stream. Oh! No! No, don't cut it! Don't cut it. Oh! That's what you get. Is this Skyrim?
So you want us to get chased?
Oh, I want boba so bad.
You alright, bro?
Oh, look, it's Snuffy.
Sir, I'm the dairy police.
Exposed.
Why do you have so much milk? What? Daycare? Alright, be safe.
Are you smiling?
That dog's gonna go sit on the floor. Wow, that dog should join the circus. Am I right, chat? World's Most Talented Dogs. Volume 3. That's a big pot. No. One of the biggest disasters in the world. Beans.com.
Yo, I have a worse angle.
I really just want to go get boba now. This sucks. Boba and ramen. Would that be a weird combination?
One of my meatballs flew off of my plate and it rolled really far away.
I thought she said one of my nipples rolled off my plate.
Bird. I thought this was a rock.
This is not a good idea. Don't do that.
Nah, dude, it's fine. I'm on X Games mode.
Did you know that
Why does it look so real?
What? That shit ain't going.
That's beautiful.
3, 2, 1, yoinks.
What if it's expired?
No, don't. Oh, no, please. Don't make it come out. Don't make it come out. It doesn't want to. It looks like a fucking mozzarella stick. I bet that smells so nutty.
Oh, hi. I'm so sorry. I did not do that right.
So what brings you
No, this video is like giving me anxiety. It's giving me more anxiety.
Glasses off.
Oh, is this Osu?
Oh, I was actually coming out here to pick up a
Welcome
cupcake
to us.
and then go back home. There was...
Chat, we should learn to do the dirty dancing dance. Where, like, we're in the river and you lift me up? Why is Boba so trendy now? I see all the, like, the TikTok zoomers making TikToks of Boba. I used to, like,
Yo,
get
Jack,
it all the
wake up.
time when
It's
I
time
was a
for the
kid.
gym.
But nobody ever really, like... Now I sound like a hipster. I love when I get a good suck of the boba and I just get like 20 of those boba balls
I had my second of 4 finals
lined up.
today.
Thank you. You too.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
Oh, I
She would love some chicken.
No, the cat doesn't like this. You're making the cat feel
What is this?
uncomfortable.
Is it what? Drop it. Drop it,
Hey,
yeah.
Sim.
Oh my. Okay.
Oh, scratch it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a dry little baby boy, aren't you? You need to moisturize. Yeah, get under those hard folds. Oh, oh, what?
Oh my.
No, no, no. What? What? Why? What? Why? Like it's... He's strutting. Okay, goodbye everybody. Oh no! Okay, male grunts sound effects. Male voice moan pain. This is like the humor of the 30th century.
Oh no! Oh dear! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh my! My goodness! No! Get back! Ah! Ah! No! No! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Shitty
No!
diarrhea.
No! Ah! No! Ah!
that sound is awful. I hate it. Oh my god. Oh, hey everybody, welcome to the stream. How's everybody doing tonight? Hmm? What'd you... I think I'm gonna order some food tonight, like Uber Eats or something. Cause I'm pretty hungry, but I don't really feel like cooking or anything. Why is everyone... What the fuck was this one? It's so long. Wait. I'm concerned about that guy. Is that guy okay? What about double speed? Stomach troubles? It's so gross. Hold on, I wanna hear what it sounds like on double speed. Just for a second, just for a second. No! No! Royalty-free xylophone music. The one that's like dun 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 dun.
Oh no! Oh dear! Ah! Oh! Oh my! My goodness! No! Get back! Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Ah! No! 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 Stop! No! Ah!
That's all, folks. What do we do to deserve this? I just thought it would be a fun little treat. I like the noises. That's like lo-fi beats to chill to and do your homework to. Yeah.